A mattebox can be a great accessory for cutting down lens flare and for also preventing the amount of stray light that will bounce into your lenses when shooting video. So we're going to unbox the Smallrig lightweight mattebox and also set it up with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. So here we go, it comes in this beautiful box. In fact, this is one of the few things I've got from Smallrig that has actually come in a beautiful package. The package is very beautiful and it feels really nice. And you can see the design of the mattebox right on the top of the box. Very beautiful packaging from Smallrig this time around. And we've got the unit, which I'm going to quickly take out and take the plastic off to prevent the glare. And there we go. Very simple, very lightweight. Like I said, part of it is made of carbon fiber and also aluminum. So it's very lightweight. It looks big, but it's very lightweight. I wish it was a little bit smaller and the width was thinner, but it's still really lightweight. And what else comes in the box? You have here ring adapters. Let's open the first one. And then in this one here, we have another two ring adapters. This is a 67mm ring adapter, and this is a 77mm ring adapter. So you have four adapters, ring adapters that comes with it. You have a 67mm, you have a 77mm, you have an 82mm, and you also have a 72mm. Four ring adapters. Okay, so now that the unboxing is done, let's get to it and set it up with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. Okay, so here's my Pocket Cinema Camera 4K rig, and as you can see, I have on my SSD mounted. I have a V-mount battery to power it up, and I have the Sigma 18-35 lens with the mattebox adapter installed. And this lens is a 72mm lens, filter thread sight, so I'm going to use the 72mm filter thread, or the filter ring, I must say, and just thread it on to the front of my lens. Now, right out of the gate, there's one thing I wish this thing came with, but it doesn't. I wish it had some sort of an attachment that I could use to mount the mattebox. Seems to have a screw down here at the bottom for it, but it doesn't. I wish it had a real adapter, so I don't have to use the ring if I don't want to. But I guess maybe I can buy that separately at another time. But for now, I have to use the adapter, the ring adapter here. And once you have the ring adapter installed, all you're going to do is just snap this in place. So I'm going to loosen this, snap it on, and then tighten that screw, right? And there you go. It's beautifully installed. Now, a lot of people have complaints about this mattebox sign here when I did a few checks online, but you don't have to worry about it because this is just a sticker. And so personally, I'm just going to peel this sticker off because I don't need a mattebox that says mattebox boldly written across the face. So as you can see, you can take it off and then you have just the carbon fiber look without any of that stuff on it. Right, so now that we've got the mattebox installed, let's take a look at some of the features that this thing comes with. So right here, you can see there is this lever here, and what that lever allows you to do is to be able to remove the flag and put it back on whenever you need to. So without the flag and with the flag, and the flag just simply slides in, right, and then you lock it down and then it stays in place. You can move this flag up and down. The other feature here that I want to test out is that if I rotate this thing a little bit, you can see, I believe on this side here, this piece right here, which is a little bit tight to open, but this is supposed to be the filter holder. So right on the side here, there's 2 slots for filters where you can put 2 slots, so you can put an ND and either a mist, pro mist, or something else that you want. And each of those filters can be released with this button up, 2 buttons up here. So you have filter 1, filter 2. This one's for filter 1, that one's for filter 2, and you can put them in. So finally, I think this is a pretty good mattebox system. A little bit too large, but I think it does what it's supposed to do perfectly. The filter holders, I like the fact that it comes with 2 slots, so you can put in 2 filters at the same time. Overall, I think it is well built, pretty solid. My only gripe to this thing is that it doesn't come with the rod mount. I wish it had come with the rod mount. Given that this is a $99 mattebox, I believe that it is really good priced and it is a big bang for the value. You also have these 4 quarter 20 screws up here, so you can actually attach accessories or other accessories to these mattebox as well. All right guys, that's it for this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and keep creating.